चलते चलते में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं शेखर गुप्ता बम्बई में और मेरे आज की मेहमान एक बड़ी अलग तरह के फिल्म स्टार हैं सोनम कपूर। आप स्टार भी हैं, बहुत अच्छी एक्टर भी हैं और बहुत बहादुर भी हैं और
शुक्रिया।
कुछ मुंहफट भी हैं।
मुंहफट नहीं हूँ। मैं सोच समझ के बोलती हूँ, इफेक्टिवली बोलती हूँ। राम माधवानी जो हमारे डायरेक्टर थे नीरजा के, तो उन्होंने कहा कि सोनम रिएक्ट मत करो, रिस्पॉन्ड करो। तो मैं जब रिस्पॉन्स देती हूँ वो सोच समझ के देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा।
लेकिन आप फेक नहीं देती हैं।
नहीं।
किसी बात पे जो व्यू होता है अपना कहती हैं।
जी।
It is not something that is usually done in the world of cinema. Everybody tries to be politically correct all the time and stay away from any polarization.
I don't think I've never understood the term politically correct because as a politician or anybody who is politically inclined, they always have to take sides. So I believe I'm politically correct for things that I believe in.
Right.
So I believe in standing up for something. I believe in, it's not about taking sides, but it's about understanding what you stand for, and you've been given a platform where you can have a voice and you can affect change in whatever small way you can. So I'd feel irresponsible not, if somebody asks me for my opinion, I've been brought up to be vocal about it.
In the environment around you, you work with lots of people. Is that a thought that most people share, or
What other people think or want is not relevant to my life unless it directly affects me. So there's a reason I've been in this industry, it'll be 9 years in November. I've done 12 or 13 films. So roughly maybe a film a year.
that is sort of the Devanand, Dilip Kumar, Amir Khan pace?
I guess so. I don't know, but it was just because I believe कि ये मेरा काम है, मुझे काम करना है, पर at the same time I have to grow. तो किताबें पढ़नी है, and as an artist, if you don't,
क्या पढ़ती हैं आप?
बहुत पढ़ती हूँ, सब कुछ पढ़ती
कुछ
हूँ।
बताइए, अभी क्या पढ़ रही हैं?
I am reading. I read like a mix of things, so it's like maybe lots and lots of articles. आजकल क्या हो रहा है, मैंने एक ऐप शुरू कर दिया है, तो उस ऐप में मैं बुक रिव्यूज़ करती हूँ।
अच्छा।
तो मुझे लगता है कि आजकल किताबें लोग पढ़ते नहीं हैं,
रिव्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं।
रिव्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं। तो अगर मुझे कोई किताब, जैसे कि मैंने पिछले साल डोना टार्ट की एक किताब पढ़ी थी, and I said कि okay, now this book I think deserves the Pulitzer. And it got the Pulitzer.
अरे वाह, मान गए।
And I think मैंने ट्वीट भी किया था, तो लोगों ने कहा कि चलो it's called Goldfinch, तो इसकी रिव्यू में लिख देती हूँ कि मुझे ये क्यों पसंद आई. And I read then her other 2 books also, A Secret History and her other book. She's written 3 books. तो वो किताबें पढ़ती हूँ. मुझे in fact I'm really a big fan of Devdutt Patnaik as well. I'm quite religious. I believe a lot in. I believe a lot in practicing Hinduism, and not in a strict.
Not in an exclusivist way.
No, yeah,
Right.
it's more about spirituality. It's
Right.
more about a way of life
Right.
and philosophy. So his explanations and his ideas, like there's a book he's written, A Pregnant King, which is spectacular. It talks about male, female, and there's so much knowledge and depth in all this, which is more for modern young people to understand it without it becoming dogmatic.
But is religion purely personal for you, or do you see religion in a larger manifestation in terms of your view on politics, on your view on the country,
No,
on your view on your
see.
art?
For me, it's more an expression of understanding what a way of life should be like. I believe in karma.
And that's why it doesn't take you any time or any concern before you jump into a debate like this Tanmay Bhatt issue.
Yeah, I don't think it's. I don't. Whatever. See, there always has to be dialogue. There always has to be. You have to have room for saying something. Now, whether it's in bad taste or not is a completely different argument.
Right.
But not being able to say and express whatever you want to is also
Right.
not cool. So, not taking away from the fact that it was done in bad taste, but
Right.
that it's not creating a hateful environment.
But if you start jailing people for doing something in bad taste, you will
Yeah.
have to build many more jails.
Exactly,
in
exactly,
the country,
exactly.
yeah.
And I think that's so. I'm getting a lot of hate on social media for
For
saying
this.
for this, and I know that a 28-year-old boy,
Right.
Tanmay is younger than me. Okay,
Just a
and
few months younger.
no.
Just a year and few months
Well,
younger. All right.
men in general are just generalizing, but I,
know,
feel like
they
women
don't grow up
as
yes,
fast.
like your father. Huh?
He's not physically grown up, but he's extremely wise man. I think my father's extremely wise man, but there has to be room to say and do whatever you want, and then you can discuss and debate whether what he said was funny or not funny, or was it in poor taste or
Right,
not.
right,
But you can't be like, मैं इसको मार डालूंगा, I'm going to beat him up, I'm going to do this, I'm
या
going to
मैं
do that.
FIR करा दूंगा,
हाँ,
मैं
FIR
जेल में भेज दूंगा.
मतलब बात क्या हुई? आई नो कि मेरे बारे में क्या क्या लोग बोलते हैं, मेरे डैड के बारे में लोग क्या क्या बोलते हैं. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं हर बंदे को पकड़ के बोल दूंगी ये इसको जेल में डाल दो. ही इज हर्टिंग माई सेंटिमेंट्स. अरे ये क्या बात हुई? यू लिव इन
फिर तो
इंडिया.
हम सबको अपनी जेल लेके
हाँ,
चलनी
हाँ,
पड़ेगी साथ में.
मतलब so every time a review comes out and they make judgments about me, I'm not going to crucify the journalist in some way or the other. It's ridiculous.
Mention of your dad came up just now. I have to tell you that this is only the second case of
Where?
a father and daughter separately having featured on Walk the Talk. The other one was Prakash Padukone
Yes,
and
yes.
Deepika.
Okay. It's brilliant.
So
It's esteemed company.
your father's a wonderful actor.
Yes, thank
and
you.
Very proud of you.
Yeah.
Is he a good reviewer for your movies?
Oh well, you're a father, so I'm sure that whenever you see your
I dare not.
yeah, exactly. So my
The
father.
fathers live in the dread of our daughters.
Yes, and I think like आज मेरे डैड ने कहा कि तुम्हें इतनी सारी गट्स कहाँ से आ गई बेटा? तो I said guts नहीं है पापा, it's not guts, it's just a matter of kind of always see when you've been brought up with so much love and so much like confidence. My father's never ever given there's never been कि ये मेरा बेटा है, ये मेरी बेटी है और ये you have इनकी परवरिश ऐसी होगी और इसकी परवरिश ऐसी होगी. It's never been that. It's always been our upbringing has been similar. He's never once. My father, I keep saying, is a feminist. My sister runs his company, and I'm a feminist because of the way feminism is about getting equal opportunity. So he believes whatever my brother deserves, my daughter will also
Equally
deserve it, or more so, because he might think that I'm more, capable. Like there's a reason Ria runs AKFC. There's a reason I'm an actor. There's a reason my brother he believes in that. And
it's like my wife, I'll tell you a personal story. If we fed both our children apples, she'll take 2 apples, cut both into half and give each one half of each.
Yes, exactly. And I asked my dad, who is your favorite? He said, these are my fingers. You cannot ask me which child of mine is my favorite. And I completely understand that, whether it's standing up for LGBT rights. My father and my mother have taught us that everybody is the same.
Equal, yes.
Everybody
And that's the
is
reason
equal.
we went for that festival.
Yes,
Kashish.
because I believe in basic human rights.